Hi, I love my Nkoli skincare line. It is the best thing that I ever purchased. This skincare line is so amazing. It's really skin food. It's named skin food, but it feels like skin food. I love it. My skin cleared up in a month, and it was so clear and natural. It was wonderful, right on time for my wedding, and my makeup artist could not rave enough about how clear my skin is. I always get compliments about it. It's creamy and it's light to put on. So if you look, it smells minty, and it's a really light polisher that you wear, moisturizing polisher that you put on right after. So I wear this every morning and every night before bed, and it's the best thing ever. Thank you, Nkoli, and thank you, Mangi.